What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, bringing you guys the hottest, the latest, and everything crypto-related news. Today, we're going to be looking at Tron and Nebulous and why I'm going to be picking them up for a potential swing trade. So first off, if you guys watched my video yesterday, I talked about my strategy right now in the crypto space because right now, the market's relatively down. It's not very exciting. There's not much movement in the market. So my strategy right now is I am trying to day trade slash swing trade some of my portfolio, about 20% of my portfolio, where I jump into cryptocurrencies starting to have movement or could be potentially having movement in the next couple days or so by looking at news, exciting announcements for those cryptocurrencies. So the ones I am looking at right now is Tron and Nebulous. So we're going to be looking into why I chose those two for the next week or so for potential swing trades. First up, we have Tron at 4.5 cents. We'll say 4.5 cents with about 6% up on the day. If we look at the charts right now, we could see that we're having a little bit of an uptrend. For the past 10 days or so, since around March 17th, we've been on a little bit of an uptrend around 2.5 cents all the way to a high in this past week of around 5 cents. So we are starting to see a little bit of traction for Tron, but why are we beginning to see traction? If we go over to coinmarketcal.com, my trusted website for all announcements cryptocurrencies, we can see that Tron has a lot of news coming out this week. First off, we have a coin burning on March 31st. We also have the first beta launch called Exodus on March 31st. This is the main reasoning I am picking up Tron, is for their first beta that is going to be launched. I definitely think this is going to start some price movement in Tron. I think that's what we've been experiencing this past week or so, where we see this little, really over a double increase from the past 10 days. And I think it may continue for the next week or so till this announcement, and maybe on after that announcement. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor. No one can predict the future, but these are big announcements that can only really help the price movement of Tron. We also have Tron on April 1st, which is going to be the following day from the beta release, being listed on litecoin exchange. Now, litecoin, I've never heard of it. I'm sure it's a rather new exchange, maybe not so popular. So it might not cause much price movement for that announcement, the litecoin exchange, but who knows? And then we also do have the mainnet launch announced being May 31st. So that's a couple months from now. That's not why I'm picking up Tron. I'm mainly picking up Tron due to this coin burning, and the first beta launch, which is going to be on March 31st, about 3 days from now. So that's what I'm looking forward to, and hopefully can make a little bit of profit off of that. The next one I am going to be picking up right now is going to be Nebulous. Nebulous has some exciting stuff going on for it right now. About 0.5% up on the day. That's awesome to see. If we look at the price graph, the chart down here, Nebulous has really been all over the place. Nebulous hasn't really been in one direction. I mean, that's how the majority of cryptocurrencies are right now, but Nebulous is at an excellent position to make an excellent price to make a position on. Now, sadly, again, about 10 days ago, it was about half the price that it is right now, but you can't always time the market perfectly. But I am going to be picking this up because we do have some exciting news for Nebulous as well, and that exciting news is going to be Nebulous mainnet launch on March 29th, 2 days from now. Mainnet launched, and afterwards the swap from the ERC20 token, the Ethereum blockchain, to the Nebulous blockchain. So I think this overall is going to be excellent for Nebulous as a whole. They are releasing their mainnet as well as being put onto their own blockchain. So I'm very excited to see what happens with Nebulous coming up to that date. So that is why I'm picking it up as well. So those are the two I'm really looking at right now. I don't like to pick up too many different cryptocurrencies to swing trade or day trade because it can kind of get overwhelming. I like to kind of just keep an eye on one or two to really, focus on the price movement of those and not have to focus on a bunch. So that's currently what I'm picking up right now. So let me know in the comments below what cryptocurrencies you guys are maybe day trading, swing trading, if you day trade or swing trade. I know a lot of you are long-term holders. Personally, for me, about 90% of my portfolio and about 80% of my portfolio is long-term positions on cryptocurrencies. And I will be doing an updated portfolio in the next couple days. I'm going to try to do one each month to keep you guys up to date on what I currently have in my portfolio. So let me know in the comments below what you guys are currently trading, if you're trading at all, what you're doing for this market cycle, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next video.